Next work will be open the CMD in your project folder. Open the CMD in project folder. Our React server is not running, right? Sure. React server is stopped and you have commented and uncommented the code properly. Now in project folder you will be writing npm run build, npm run build, npm run build. npm run build. Okay. Enter. You will wait for 2-3 minutes. It will create a build of your project. One new folder will get created here that will hold the final product that you are going to hand over to client. npm run build. Hope you run the command. Check now. You got like this URL. Find more about deployment here, something. You can let me know in the chat once your build is ready. Hmm. Which error? It will work. Okay, so build is ready for 2%, 3%. Okay, now let's come. Look into the build folder. You have very minimum files. Very minimum files we have in the build folder. A static, under that we have CSS, runtime CSS, dynamic CSS is ready. JS, all the component what you have created under the JS folder. Then after that, media related to your font awesome and all is here under the media folder. Okay. Icon we have kept separate, so icon is there only. Icon even we can use it directly or indirectly, both is possible. Okay, so next, this build folder is your main program. Build is the main program. Build is folder is ready. Build folder. Now cut this build folder and paste anywhere. Like suppose go to your D drive. Keep anywhere wherever you want. Okay. Means purposefully we are trying to move somewhere else, so that will come to know, okay, for that React is not required. I'll keep that build folder on my desktop. You can also keep your build folder on desktop or any drive wherever you want, you can keep there. The build folder, hopefully you copied and kept on the location in your system in any location. But make sure your backend is running. Backend was which one? JSON server. So backend server is running. Just only the front end we created the build and the executable program, the build we shifted on the desktop. Instead of putting on the desktop, it can go to the any server also. Right. Now go to your build folder from the desktop and open CMD. Open CMD in your build folder. Write your code space dot. Your already VS Code was open. You can close that and then you can open again here code space dot, so that Visual Studio will open under the build folder. VS Code will open in build folder. Okay. Next, after that, build folder. You have one index file. Click on that. It's open in VS Code. Index file, click on that. And you can see this is the total program. The static folder, you have CSS and JS, media, and icon folder you are there already. And then after that, you have remaining folders here. After that, you don't have any other files at all. Okay, so entire project what we have written, all converted into this JS and CSS. Index.html file, do right click and format document. So that all will get organized. All will not come in single line. Right click, format document. It will look like this. Right click, format document. Okay. Now let's go here in this file. Few places only we need to remove the slash. In this file, this is the only one file. Index.html file is only one file where you have HTML code. Remaining all component what you created, all converted into JS file, and it is under the JS folder. Can you see these 2-3 files are there? That is the total component of your program. You can see these files, how it's encrypted. Files are encrypted. Main.js is main.js file, all encrypted, right? This is the total program files that what is converted. Okay, that is called build a program. There no one can modify anything. It is completely encoded code, but it will give the output. Let's see how it will give the output. You go to the index file, and in index file, logo is there. Logo before slash, you have removed the slash. Main fest.json, remove the slash. Static, that number.js is there, remove the slash. CSS is also there, remove the slash. Because these folders are within the same folder, where we have index.html file, there only we have a static, and then you can say other folders. So you don't need to give slash, only you give the folder name, it will find from the same location. Okay, so remove the slash. Now in index file, no need to start the server, just you do the right click and open with the live server. Right click and open with live server. Index file, index.html. Right click and open with the live server. Slash HTML is coming, you can remove that. Then also you can run like this. Slash HTML was coming the last one, remove that. And then click on the links. You will see your pages will work perfectly. Running. You can log in also and see dashboard, you are able to navigate, orders, everything you are able to see. Do the logout, it will come to the home page. You can go to your cart and all. Now your React server is not running. This is the live server of normal, which one? Your VS Code. This project you can put in the somewhere in the xyz.com also, there it will work. But JSON server will be local machine, and the live server will be server, it will not work. Both should be one place only. Okay. Right? You saw that. Now when you go for interview, even you are not starting the React server also, no problem. Just open the CMD in which folder? Build folder. And open the VS Code and index file. Just do the right click and open with live server. Because this program is ready program. Okay, it is executable program. Okay, it's not need to start the npm start or anything. Npm start you have to do in your project server. Project code is somewhere. If you want to modify anything in this project, In this project, you cannot modify anything. This is executable program. Okay, when you download the PhonePe app and install in your mobile, can you do the changes of the PhonePe application? Can you do the changes? No, no. When you download the Google Pay install in your computer, in Google Pay program, can you do the some changes? No, because that is called executable program. Similar way, this is also executable program. In this file, JS file what we have, you cannot modify anything. You can do something in the index file. It's a HTML file. If you want to call any jQuery related library, you can call here. If you want to call something extra, you can call here. But the main file what you have, a static folder and this JS file, 100% you cannot modify in this. What you will modify? See, do you feel anything possible to modify in this file? It looks like it is something else. See which character is that? Can you see any character? One URL, one URL page is written that is able to understand. Okay, everywhere /n/r/n/r. If you put one character also anywhere, your code will become collapsed. It will not work better. See, all the URLs are there, but other things are encrypted fully. Fully table, tr, all fully encrypted. That is called a build program. Okay, encrypted code, minified code. No one can modify anything in this file. If you modify, project will stop working. Again, you have to create the build from the original project and then you have to run it. See that? That is called a build program. How to create the build and run it. Like this one will work. Add to cart should work. If I go to the cart, whichever the item I have, I will delete from here. I'll come to home. I'll buy one product. I go here, one laptop. Amrish AMR. Okay, place order. Order is placed. I can log in from here as a vendor and I can see order is 6. If I go to the order, I can see one order came from Amrish. But the program you are running through 1.27, this is a completely executable program. In that you cannot modify anything. If you want to modify anything, code related I'm talking. Functionality it will work, but code modification will not happen. For code modification, again we have to go to the project one, go to the project wise, page wise, what functionality you want to add it, and then again come back, run the build, and so you will see sometime from the bank messages will come like downtime, server maintenance, something. Correct? What is that? Sometime we'll see PhonePe is not working, server is down. What happened in that time? That time, new functionalities are added, old functionality people have removed, and new functionality they are uploading. During that time, so old build is replacing by the new build. Old build have some less function. Now new build have some new functions. New build is ready with the new functionality. Now old build they'll cut from there and keep somewhere, and new build they will upload. So after half an hour again project will start working. Okay, that is called what downtime. So in between that process, sir, we get a message like server down. They will be sending. How to display? How to display? Now, how to display? We have to go to the folder, cut the folder from there, paste somewhere else, and create a file there, index.html, and write in that file, hello friends, server is down during this time. Here in this folder, what you have kept in the build folder, what you have? So many files you have, no? Yes. You cut this all the file from here and keep another file. In that file, write server is under maintenance. Whenever anyone will open the project, they will say, oh, server is under maintenance. After some time, new file will come. Automatically, old will get replaced by new functionality will start working. During the time, message will come, file is not there. Okay, file is not there. File is cut and removed somewhere else. New file is processing or they are uploading. Once it will upload, then it will come to the new. Okay, that's how it works. Or even during that time, during 1 hour, 2 hour, or half an hour, we can redirect the server to some other IP address. Whenever anyone will open the page, content will not come from this IP, content will come from other IP. That is also possible. Okay, so hope working build for how many people? Only 2, 3 has replied. Let me share the build program. You can use it. Live project. Where are you? Okay, so this is the file that I should send you the build file also. Build program is getting compressed. Hmm? How is this linked to the media project, sir? Even though we are from this folder outside. Which link? Some build is outside. You are not running from that project folder. Your build program is running. That you have kept in desktop. Where you have run that, right click and open with live server in the desktop. If you delete this folder also no problem. Your project is ready and the folder is available on desktop. There is no relation with this folder. Relation is with this backend folder. Which folder? JSON API. JSON API must be running. Then only that folder will work. So this becomes a backend. And the build folder you put in the desktop, that becomes a front end. Okay. Front end is anywhere, no problem. Back end is anywhere, no problem. Both must be functional. For back end, what is the IP you have? You see here, your port number is something, no? 1234. Port number is 1234, right? So port number 1234 is running, so system will find where is that. Now your project is running on desktop. What is the IP? IP is here. 127.00 something, 5500 is port number. Now from this front end request will go to that 123 port number. So from there data will come and display here. Now this is not based on your React. If you delete your React folder also no matter. If you delete this folder, no problem. Okay. If I delete this folder, React folder, then also no problem. Project will run because project is not here. Project is where? On the desktop. The build folder, wherever you want to keep from there, it will run. But for build, you need a backend. So this JSON server must be functional and running. Okay. If the backend will run, then only front end will get the data. Okay, backend will not run, then front end will be just login page, a static page it will display. You cannot do anything on that. Okay, so build folder, I'm sharing in your chat, it's uploading. From the project SRC folder, I'll send you. Okay, so SRC, I should send you after changes. Two file I have modified, admin header. Let me change that URL. Link was there, no? This is for the normal React functional and this is for the build program. So that you can uncomment before running. Next. Admin header and one more file was there called login. In login file also two URL we have modified. So uncomment the new one and comment the old one. Uncomment the old one and comment the new one. Okay, so build program is uploaded in your chat. Next, after that, I will send you this SRC folder. In case your project is not running, SRC you can use. Next, one more JSON server also I'll send you, JSON API. In case your JSON server is not running, you can use the JSON API folder and keep all in different place and start the server, it should work. SRC folder is uploading. Just hold on. Hello, Sumit. Hello. बोलिए सर. इधर ही हैं. 4:30 में तो क्लास है मेरा. अब 5 बजे आइए, 5:30 में. ठीक है. Okay, so uploaded. Check now. You are able to see your folder, build folder, SRC folder, and JSON API folder. All three are in the chat. You can download it. If not working, the people who tried, let me know. Your page is able to access. Page is able to run like this through live server. Wherever you go for interview, carry your laptop. Okay. If anyone asking, have you done any project, you show them. So then they will ask you, show me the code. You show the React 1 project code, what you have. Project 1 code you have, you show them. They will ask you to explain what is happening here. Try explaining. It's a valuable project only. Okay. Then after this, next, I hope everyone is registered in that placement group. Register or not? Register. So that is the source of interview place. So you must be there in the you must register in that portal. This is the one. So first interview process is like this. You need to call this number. Okay. After that, ask to register in placement portal. She will give you the link that is called this one, campusinterview.in. Okay, she will give the link campusinterview.in. So first, the person has to add your mobile number in this portal, then only you can register. So once you call here, she will take your mobile number and she will add under this portal. After adding, you need to register here and update education details. Update education details. After that, right, after updating the education details and all, correct, just again you can update to this number, inform here again, inform that you updated your details. Next, after that, your profile will come in a list for interview and your number will get added in placement WhatsApp group for job notification. Right, so you need to do this, okay? Because many people will attend the class, but everyone don't need job placement. 90% people need, but again, when you are ready to go for interview, you need to call once here and ask her, add my number in the placement portal. After adding, she will message you this URL. You need to register in that. And after that, update your education details. After updating the education details, again, you can call to this number and update that you have updated the details. After updating, the person will verify if everything is filled properly. Then the profile will come under the list for interviews. Okay. Then after that, next interview, whenever happen, you will keep getting notification. How you will get notification? Your mobile number, the person who will guide you to register in this portal, your mobile number she will be adding in the placement group. And once you will add in the placement group, like as soon as the job is coming from the company, email will come. She will update you through the this WhatsApp group saying like new job is posted in the portal. Please go and apply. If you are available in the city, if you are available to attend the interview, then log in the website and then just you need to click on apply. Once you click on apply, after that everything is done. Your details will come to the particular interview and then company will follow you. Remaining process the team will take care. Okay. So this we need to follow. Okay. And whenever you are applying for the job, make sure you are available. Suppose you applied for the job and you are not attending, then it's become a negative point for us. Next time we have to request to the company, please give next opening. They will say like last time we are given the list of 40 people, but only 3 has come. We were 10 people were waiting for your 40 people, but only 3 has come. That happened. Okay. Like when the job will come in the portal and the message will come in WhatsApp group, everyone, whether they are available, not available, everyone will apply. Once you apply, means third party will understand you are ready to go for interview. Correct. And then they will download your details in Excel and that Excel will go to the company. Company will start following you for the next interview and all. Now suppose you applied and you are not ready to go for interview. You are not available for interview. If you are not available, then don't apply. Now what will happen? Suppose for one job, 30 people applied. 30 people, name, email, mobile number, city, pin code, and your education year, passing project, all will come in the Excel. That Excel, the person will be sending to the company saying like, this many people are available for interview. Because you have applied on the job, right? Person understood, yes, you are ready to go for interview. Now message came in WhatsApp saying like tomorrow is the interview here, please attend. Correct? 40 people name gone to the company. Company people will think like 40 people will come. They will be ready 10 people there. They will be ready 5 people there. For what purpose? To handle your process, to control the 40 people, right? Because they have an idea, okay, 40 people will come because 40 number has come from there. Now suppose on Saturday, on holiday days, company has forced their HR to come on Saturday and take interview. HR has left their homework, they left their family work and came to take your interview, and you are not going. What will happen then? They are in the trouble, and they will express their entire trouble in our team. Okay. And not only that much, they will next time they will not give opening. They'll say like your people are not professional. They will say, but they will not come. Last time we are giving you said like 30 people will come, but only 2 has come. We have waited for the full day and no one came. So what will happen? Problem for everyone, right? So make sure you apply and attend. Job will come for the interview purpose only, but if you are available, then we apply. If you are not available, then no problem. Once you are available, then only apply. Once you come back for the next interview, apply. Okay, will be helpful for the everyone. Okay, that way you will maintain. Attend some interview, definitely will get opportunity, but matter is to attend. Okay, one interview never decide the future of anyone. Clear or not? Do you feel one interview will decide the future? No. One company will decide the future? No. Correct. So there is a huge company and huge interviews are there. Now market will open soon again. Lot of opening comes usually. Okay. So just get ready and uh, average at least person should attend 5 interview. Okay, up to 5 interview, no expectation that you will get job itself. 5 interview just for the trial purpose to get experience. Okay, after 5 interview, if you are not clearing, then you should feel bad. After attending 5 interview, I am not able to clear. Okay, but till 5 interview, with a cool mind, with relaxed mind, you keep attending. Okay, and how to again get some preparation for the next interview. Suppose you attended one interview today, they asked 10 questions. Okay, I cannot say like all 10 questions you can remember, but once you come out from the interview, at least 6 7 you can remember. So those 6 7 should come in your hard copy notes. Once you reach home or in mobile only, it's sticky notes is there, download it. And once you come out from the interview, make a note of all the questions. Come back home. After that, prepare that question, whether practical, theory, any type of question. Get answer for that before next interview. Next interview will go. Again 10 15 questions they will ask. Out of that, maybe 6 7 you remember. Again, come back and remember the prepare the answer of 6 7. For third interview, you have 15 questions ready now. Complete demanded question. Like that, 5 interview, if you are doing like this, you will have nearly 30 to 40 questions ready with you. Okay. And then after 5 interview, sixth interview, seventh interview, you will feel like those questions, what I have faced in the last interviews, asking the similar questions. Okay. Then only after sixth interview, after fifth interview, there is a chance you can clear the interview. Some people can clear the first round also based on the preparation, how you are prepared yourself. Okay. So after attending one interview, you should not lose your patience. With positive energy, attend for the next interview, next interview. Okay, then something will happen. In my career, I have attended the seventh interview. Till that day, nothing happened. And the one day I have scheduled total 3 interviews. One interview here in the Adarsh Tech Park near to Intel. Another interview in the Vijayanagar near Ambedkar College. Okay, and third interview again in the here HSR layout. Okay, first interview happened conditional. If you are able to answer this question, this much salary, else this much salary. Okay. Second interview, everything is smoothly, very good salary. Third interview went location not found. Okay, came back. So how many offer? 2 offer. When after seventh interview. Okay, right? So if after attending 2 or 3 interview, feel like no, yeah, I will not go, not happening. Then will get chance. No. Okay, so attending to get the job. Interview only can help you. If you interview, if you attend, then only get the job. If you will not attend interview, how will you get the job? Correct. So whichever the interview comes, apply on Naukri also. Naukri, wherever whichever the job portal you feel, upload every well profile. What is the problem? Upload wherever the call comes, right? Keep attending it. Any source, only the target is to get the job through Info Campus, through Naukri, through any source, any source. LinkedIn also give very good interview calls. LinkedIn also you create profile and upload there, and just keep where the openings are coming, just apply on that. It will help. From there also many people get job. Okay. So hope you will follow and then it will be helpful. Okay, then we can log out. The project is over now. Next work is you need to attend the interviews and then get ready. I hope as soon as you will get the chance.
In this customer details, we can have like on click of a name, then the orders will be displayed.
ट्राई करो ना आप थोड़ा कुछ दिमाग लगाए अप्लाई कीजिए थोड़ा थॉट वो तो हम 2 मिनट में कर देंगे ट्राई करो आप थोड़ा पॉसिबल है
Possible तो है पर आइडिया नहीं है.
idea will come from the try if you try then only idea will come okay so build is created let me guide you exact within 5 minutes I'll make it ready I'll show you okay Node.js class same 3 o'clock wait for 5-10 minutes I will make something then we'll go for the node or anything okay for the okay first what I will do is I will create a array called order details order details order details I'll write here call update order details it is by default as a array after that when the page will load I will go inside and from this order array I'll take the first element of zero position order array of zero position dot order array of zero position dot this one order item I'll assign. So what is that? When the page will load, the first order details it should display and remaining order details will be hidden. If you are following me, write this quickly. And keep this. Added. Now write a function called const C order. C order is nothing but when you click on username, you have to pass your index. Whichever the user you click, for that user, whichever the order will be there, the order of index. So C order is nothing but when you click on a username, you have to call this function call C order. And in C order, you have to pass the index. After that, inside order array on particular index, whichever the order item will be there, it will go to whom? Update order details. That will come to the order details indirectly. So add this function. Add this function C order. Fine, added. Next, after that, the map you are running, right? Map you are running for whom? My order. No, map we are running for the order. Okay, and we are generating the row. So now what we have to do? Row will be only one. Row will be only one. Inside the column will be only one. Okay, and then now row will not generate. Row will be only one. Inside the row, number of customer will get increased. And whenever you click here, product will come in the right side. Whichever the customer you click in the left, product will come in the right. So for that, let's do like this. The map you are running here, correct? This map function you cut from here, right? Map function you cut from here, including flower bracket, cut from here and paste inside the 3. Paste inside the 3. Error will come, no problem, let it come. Paste inside the 3. Remove the key index from the array. And then under this return part, you create a division. Close the division here inside the 3. Inside the 3, you close it, and for this division will be key index. So now we are running the map under the 3. We are running the map under the 3. Running the map under the 3. Last closing of the flower bracket and closing of the function is after the row. You can cut last this 3 line, that is in the last, cut from here and paste inside the 3 only after the division. Cut and paste under the 3 after the division. That is in the last actually. You cut from there and paste inside the 3 after the division. Don't look into the output just now, it will give you an error. Okay, so added. This 3 is ready. So where the map is running? Under the 3. Under the 3. Now 9 is out of the map. 9 is not inside the map. Correct? Now look at here. You have printed the order ID. What is we have written? My order.id. Correct? My order.id we have printed. Okay, so at this place, something else we have to do. Okay, so let me remove this order ID as of now. Let me keep here called order details. Order details. Or maybe order item. Because ID is not able to access here. ID is inside the loop. You are trying to access outside, will be wrong. So order item we written. Now look at there. Below you have the table. Table we have. So what will happen? This table is completely outside now. This table is inside the 9. Correct? This table is inside the 9. Okay. Now our requirement is something like this. Look at here. You have one order now. You have a variable called order details. In order details, the first order item is stored under which variable? Order details. So I'll take this order details variable and I will come down, and inside the 9 what map we are running, we will write here my order dot map. Not my order details dot map. Order details dot map. Change here order details dot map. Order details dot map. Look into the page. One order is coming by default. Only one product customer details product order is coming. That is called first one. Amrish, first user. When I click on the second, that should come. Third should come. Fourth should come. Right. So that functional part we have to do. So here no need to do under anything now. T-body. T-body whatever was there, it's a sufficient. Just to change the variable called order details. Change the variable called order details. Order details. After doing the order details changes, let me look into the left side. Our users are like this. When we click on any user block, their information should come in the right side. Okay. So 1 minute. I'll change it, then you can try. Now look at here. The division you have created, key equal to index, something is there. Let me write a class here. Class name P3, P3, MB4, MB4, border, rounded. So it will display this is one user. Border rounded, so it will display this is one user. User wise, box wise coming now. All the orders are coming in the new boxes. Now in the same division, on click. In same division, on click. In same division, on click, you can call here on click equal to call that function. What is the function? C order dot bind this comma index. This comma index. C order dot bind this comma index. On click equal to C order dot bind this comma index. So whenever you click this particular division in border area, whenever you click in the right side, the order has to change. On click equal to C order dot bind this comma index. C order this comma index. If I click on second one, changing, third one should change. Fourth one if I click, order should change. Fifth one if I click, order should change. First one if I click, Click first and second, you will see the order list is getting changed. Third have the same item, 2 item, but the fourth have only 1 item. See now, that way it will be. Try this. On click equal to C order dot bind this comma index. Changing. We'll share this file in chat. In the SRC folder, there is a file called admin order file. Yeah, it's coming to your chat. Check once. Not able to upload. Why? Desktop. I need to go drive wise again. Order file is in your chat. You can do like that. Even you can also do like this. See on the top, you can display only names. You can display only names. And when you click on the name, then below it will display their order. Okay, so this we have done in 3. We have done in 3, right? We can do in 12. 12. So what will happen? It will cover the full width. But if order is 2000 order, then in one line, how much you can accommodate? So for that, it should come to the new line, new line, new line. Clear? Working? Not working?
React में काम नहीं कर रहा।
React is not working. भाई पहले तो काम कर रहा था ना?
हाँ सर, वो हम लोग ने बिल्ड किया था तो कमेंट कर दिया था। ओके, अनकमेंट
लॉगिन इज नॉट हैपनिंग। ये तो लॉगिन नहीं हो रहा है तो इसमें प्रॉब्लम है। आप देखो, आप एडमिन हेडर,
मैंने किया
नॉट दिस लाइन
करके फिर उसको मैंने कमेंट किया, फिर लॉगिन पेज में भी किया।
here is this URL. You can comment this and comment this. Okay, so React people can log out. I sent you the file, order file. You can use that.
लॉगिन
It's 3000. Another one, other file. This is also okay. You can install the server and start it. After React server and then start again server. I have sent you SRC folder already.
Yes, sir.
But why you are messaging in the private chat? Become problem for my side. I cannot message to everyone again. Message in the public. Drag and drop option will be disabled. Okay, SRC uploading folder.
तो अभी जो लाइव प्रोजेक्ट किया है उसका फ्लो चार्ट या उसका मतलब एक एक हम लोगों ने कैसे एग्जीक्यूट किए